God forbid I break you. Guys, look what we have over here. If you watch my previous video, you guys will definitely know what happened. I ordered a blender, and you guys saw that when I was unboxing it, the jar of the blender was broken. I returned that yesterday. They yet to refund me my money. They said I should wait till after 10 business days before I get refunded. I decided to walk into different stores and buy it myself, and I'm very thankful. I think that God is very intentional with me. Let me not say I think, I'm going to rephrase it. I know that God is very intentional with me, you guys. Do you know that when I returned that particular blender that was broken, and I was going from stores to stores looking for blender to buy, I got to understand that that particular blender that I even bought to not be able to carry out the function I wanted to. So my main purpose of buying that blender is I wanted to be making smoothies, number one. I don't know which is most important, but another reason I bought it is because I'm a content creator on Facebook, and majority of my content revolves around coconut, so I need to always use to blend coconut. And I realized that that particular blender I bought to not even be able to blend coconut, you guys. The blade is too small. Like, I think that's about 250, 300 or at most 350 watts blender, which will not be able to even serve any purpose. So you guys, welcome our new houseware member to the house. Today we're going to be unboxing this, but before I get started with this unboxing, I must say, you guys, the other one was quite cheap, but this one is not cheap. To some persons it might actually be cheap, but you guys, for me, this blender is not cheap. If you can tell from the drawing, you see it has coconuts drawn here, which means it will be able to blend coconut. And let me not pretend here like I've not unboxed this. I already unboxed it because I don't want story that touches the heart, but let's pretend like I haven't. So the name of this particular one is Kenwood. This one has been trending on social media. Hopefully this one is the original one and is able to serve me for as long as possible. So you guys, let's unbox this. We have the manual, how to fix it, the drawings over here. And here, you guys, we have this. So let's say if you're blending, this is what you use to compress your ingredients. I just want to be careful with this, guys, because I love this so much and I don't want to joke with it. This is how the jar looks like. You can see that it's entirely different from the other one, and I love the color. It comes in color green, color red, blue and black, and of course black will have to be my favorite. If there was white, I would have gone for white, but this is the best color out of them all for me personally. So in case you want to buy your own, you can choose any other color. And this is the cover. And before I forget, this is a 2-in-1 blender. This will cover this. So this is what I mean. In case you're blending, you use this to do this. I love this so much. This is the second blender. Let me just keep this down. So we have nothing left inside this carton. This is the engine. Let's unbox this. Can you guys see how big this is? I don't know if you guys can see the engine on top of this desk, so I'm just going to bring back the carton and place this engine. I believe you guys will be able to see it now, and it has the wire wrapped around here. So this is the blender, and it has this last part over here. So just going to place this here, then your blender will lap on this place. Tell me that this is not cute. Just as it is written here, it is a multifunction blender robot. If I turn on this thing, you guys, the sound it makes, you'll be thinking that I've gotten myself a car, like a brand new car. I like it. So let me know what you think about this blender in the comments section. Is this something you would like to go for? I just realized I haven't shown you guys the second one. This particular one, you use it to blend your dry ingredients like ogbono, egusi, your pepper, your crayfish, all those good stuff, you guys. This one is way bigger than that first one I bought, and see the engine here. This is iron right here. Don't play. I can blend anything with this. God forbid. God forbid I break you. So you guys, welcome my new baby to the house. I'm in love with this. I don't want anything to happen to it. Rate this blender in the comment section. If you know this is the blender you use at home, let me know in the comment section. What is your review about this blender? Between this one and the last one, which was broken, which one will you go for, you guys? Let me know. So with this, we've gotten to the end of the unboxing video, and I'm in love with my products. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and sticking around to the end. I love you guys so much. Please ensure to subscribe if you know you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment for me in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.